In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw X Empire token to your Bitget account safely so it arrives without delays. First, open the Bitget app and log in. Tap Assets, then tap Deposit and choose Crypto Deposit. In the search bar, type X Empire or the ticker X, then select it. Bitget will ask you to choose a network. For X Empire, this is usually TON, Jeton. So pick that and continue. Now Bitget will show your deposit address. Tap Copy to copy it. If Bitget shows any extra field like a memo or tag, copy that too. But most TON deposits only need the address. Next, open the wallet where your X Empire tokens are currently stored, like Telegram Wallet or TON Keeper. Tap Send, choose X, paste your Bitget deposit address, enter the amount, and confirm. Make sure you have a little TON for gas fees, or the transfer may fail. Finally, go back to Bitget and check Assets to see the deposit once it confirms. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.